Good morning, crafters. I am so grateful to everyone who sent kind words and sympathies and prayers to our family. You all have been so kind and supportive in this whole process. So I really, really appreciate that. I also really appreciate the feedback I've been getting about the Destash boxes and what you guys are finding exciting or what you want to see in them. And I feel very validated because I'm on the right track. I have a lot of the stuff that you mentioned in your comments already in the boxes. So that makes me feel great. I just wanted to share a little bit with you all that what this channel is going to be like, what kind of giveaways we're going to have, but also that I, started this whole process of going through my mother's craft supplies and it felt at the time, it felt very overwhelming and devastating. And now it's really developed into a very cathartic sort of process for me. And once I started posting these videos on YouTube and getting the positive response and seeing that she had built such a beautiful and supportive crafting community already, I just felt a lot of peace about that. And that made me kind of happy that I chose to take this route, this process of essentially selling her craft supplies online as opposed to in person at a yard sale or some kind of situation like that. I also get to see some of the videos that she had saved, her previous Destash videos that she saved onto YouTube. And at first I thought it was going to be really hard to watch, but actually it was really nice to hear her voice. And it was also just really nice to see that my idea of destashing her craft materials kind of aligns with stuff that she was already doing. So I feel like I'm making the right choice to do this. So I am feeling better about the whole situation. I'm feeling more peaceful. I feel like this is going to be less of an overwhelming task and more of a cathartic and helpful task to go through her stuff and to share it with other artists and to be on this channel and share the process of sorting crafts, selling crafts, and even possibly making some crafts, which I'm not a crafter, so this will be a fun and entertaining experience. So let's talk a little bit about the future of this channel, what you guys can look forward to, what's coming up here in the next week or so. So first, I have decided that this channel is going to be a lot about destashing, and I will be sharing like the different craft supplies. Some of it won't be destashed, some of it will just be sold as a set. Filling it out first. We have about, like I said, about 40 boxes at this point that we're going to sell from starting next week until they are sold out. And I will definitely by next week have all the details sorted about the prices and where you can buy and processing and all of that. But I am excited to announce. So we're going to do a giveaway. Before anyone else can buy a box, I want to do a giveaway. This is my first, I guess, giveaway that I've ever done before. So I hope I'm solid in my rules and instructions. Okay. So first giveaway is I'm going to give a box, one of these Destash boxes, away for free to one of you. All you have to do to get your name in the drawing for this free giveaway is like the video, comment on the video, and share. And if you do all the three of those things, I'll put your name in a little jar, your YouTube name in a little jar. And on Monday of next week, that is November, let me double check, November 22nd, I will pull a name and announce the winner on YouTube, and we can, exchange information. I can contact you and we can get you that free box. So I'm very excited about this giveaway. We're going to do more giveaways. As I said, there are so many craft supplies, art that my mom has made. So, of course, I'm going to do a lot of giveaways on this channel, and I'm looking forward to it. I think it'll be fun to do these challenges. So thank you all so much. Like, comment, share on any one of the videos. One last thing I forgot to mention. The written rules for the giveaway will be written in the description, so take a look at that. And I look forward to doing this giveaway with you guys. All right, we'll see you soon. Thank you.